Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x80004005 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit Enter. Now this will stop the services associated with Windows updates, delete the Windows Update profile, delete the cat root2 and software distribution folders, re-register the DLLs, reset WinSock and finally restart the services. So your problem will almost definitely be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.